Is it time to buy or sell Rumble stock? In this video, we will explore Rumble in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will want to stay updated on any critical developments that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Rumble as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.46. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -10.57%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.96% since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the middle of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a loss of 15% to a gain of 8%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of nearly 24%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 20% to nearly 182% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between approximately $9.78 and $22.89. Our latest daily update for Rumble includes the headline, "High Volatility in Rumble Inc. Stock Price" on Monday, which ended trading at $8.12. The Rumble Inc. stock price gained 3.05% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, rising from $7.88 to $8.12. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 15.85%, with a day low at $8.11 and a day high of $9.39. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 10.57% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 6 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $73.14 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $17.40, while the lowest price was $4.92. Currently, the price is 53.33%, or $9.28, below the 52-week high, and 56.16%, or $10.40, below the all-time high on the 7th of February, 2022, when the price reached $18.52. Rumble today reported second quarter results that blend stable user metrics with a clear strategic shift. Revenue rose 12% year-over-year to $25.1 million. Monthly active users remained steady at about 51 million, and average revenue per user increased to 42 cents, up 24% quarter-over-quarter. Management implemented cost-cutting measures and narrowed adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization losses, leaving roughly $306 million in liquidity. The company announced partnerships with Cumulus Media, MoonPay, and Tether, and plans to launch Rumble Wallet in the third quarter for tipping in Bitcoin, USDT, and Tether Gold. Most significantly, Rumble intends to pursue an all-stock, roughly $1.17 billion offer for Northern Data, a German AI cloud and data center operator. A move that would enhance GPU and AI infrastructure for Rumble's video platform. In the short term, the positive average revenue per user, wallet rollout, and inclusion in the Russell Index can boost sentiment and trading volume, while liquidity and partner agreements alleviate execution concerns. However, the proposed all-stock acquisition introduces near-term volatility and dilution risk as investors evaluate integration and funding. In the long term, successful integration of Northern data and crypto monetization could significantly expand Rumble's addressable market and enhance revenue diversification, with potential for growth if AI and cloud services scale, but only if execution and margin improvements follow. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned RUM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 17th of July, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned RUM a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 15th of May, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned RUM a perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 28th of March, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned RUM a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of September, 2022, it was reported that D.A. Davidson assigned RUM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Rumble stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rumble. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen by 3.05%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Rumble Inc. stock currently presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $8.15 and $8.93. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 8 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 33 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rumble. Rumble Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $8.06. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.29 between its high and low, which is a change of 15.85%. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.83%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rumble, let us briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could signal potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rumble. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rumble is at $9.15. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Rumble faces its first support level at $8.06. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rumble from multiple analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Bieber Katie conducted an insider purchase of 12,500 shares of Class A common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Bieber Katie also conducted an insider purchase of 27,273 shares of Class A common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the 12th of June, 2025, Cappuccino Paul T conducted an insider purchase of 36,222 shares of Class A common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the 14th of June, 2025, Cappuccino Paul T conducted an insider sale of 22,882 shares of Class A common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the 12th of June, 2025, Armstrong Nancy conducted an insider purchase of 27,273 shares of Class A common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 45.046. In total, insiders purchased 63,356,631 shares and sold 185,633,786 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for the stock, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Rumble stock a good buy? Rumble Incorporated presents a number of negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. We have revised our analytical conclusion for this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of August, we project that Rumble will open higher by 418/100ths and commence trading at $8.54. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.